Hi, my name is Class A Inspector today. Inspecting this Z4 for you. It's a 2012 model. Overall vehicle so far is in excellent condition for the 2012 vehicle. Bodywork overall is in excellent condition with some age-related marks, insignificant blemishes which I will not mention too much. Very fine. Oxidation develops on the corner of the roof. Vehicle haven't been resprayed. Vehicle haven't been involved in any even smaller or significant accident at all. Or the paint thickness readings are around 120 microns. With regards to engine, everything is dry. There's no leaks. Everything clean and neat. It's got excellent service history. Alloys could do with the refurb. Advisories now, rear pads, and thermostat. There was a fault code which fault frequency has been 51 times activated, so it doesn't work properly, so it needs further investigation and more likely will be thermostat replacement. Electric thermostat with the temperature sensor on it. Gonna go now for the road test and see how it performs. With regards to underside corrosion, there's very gentle surface corrosion developing on the underside in several areas, more on the rear section of the car. So if you desire, there is still time to prep it if you're planning to keep this car for a long time. General wear, you will see a bit of significant wear on this section here, but obviously it is a 80,000 mile vehicle. Service is due this July. So yeah, there's no reason to reject. Any other issues I will add in a report for you. Thanks for using us.